Hello everybody, if you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're back, thank you so much for joining us once again. This is Gabby, your beauty ally, checking in to talk to you today about a wonderful tutorial that I had the pleasure of shooting a couple months ago with my dear friend and colleague, Cami, who I love to call Cami. This girl, so excited to share this tutorial with her. I love glamming Cami. She is so sweet and she's just adorable to work with, so I can't wait for you guys to discover her. Cami is someone I met on set a couple years ago, and we just kind of, and I never left that girl alone after. So today you're gonna see me create an editorial look on her and just explore my artistry, texture, and playing with color. I was craving color. So there's a few things to notice in today's tutorial. First of all, Cami has unrealistically flawless skin, so you will see less coverage as far as the foundation is concerned. I think everything I used was like skincare and water-based. And the reason for that is just, yeah, models have crazy, amazing skin for a couple reasons. They take really good care of it through facials and regimens and things of that nature. Like, they'll invest in their skincare more than we do. They also have fantastic eating habits, so as far as fruits and vegetables and drinking a lot of water, drinking teas and everything that can help with your skin. And third of all, their genes. I really wanted to mention that today because it's so important that you do not pressure yourself when it comes to the way your skin looks. It's normal to have texture. It is normal to have discoloration, dark spots, wrinkles, and whatnot. But today is going to be very fun, and it's going to be an opportunity for you to see someone that has like perfect skin and me just blending water-based sheer layers of foundation to create her look. Another thing to notice for today is that the tutorial is not going to be as organized as they usually are. And that's because what we were doing was a creative shoot, and creative projects happen when photographers, stylists, videographers, models, just everyone in the fashion industry kind of comes together and just creates a product for the sake of creation and expressing something and expressing yourself. So you're gonna see me blend and create and go from one thing to the next. I think there are like 3 looks in total that we created, and I'll be including the pictures, final pictures that I got back from Fidelité afterwards, and it'll kind of take you behind the scenes and allow you to see how I do when I'm working on a creative fashion shoot and project. I've been reading every last one of your comments, by the way. I know you guys like when I show you things in my kit, and I know that you want me to fix my lighting, you want me to fix my audio, and I hear you and I read everything you say. And as far as the audio, I'm trying something new today as well, but I am actively looking to invest in a better mic to be able to connect it to my camera so that when I speak to you, you really hear what the girls got to say. If you have any requests whatsoever, continue commenting them. This channel is yours, you guys. So thank you, and without any further ado, let's see Cami.
As per usual, you're going to start your routine by using the Glow Tonic by Pixi. I apply this using the Cotton Rounds by Shiseido, and I love this step because it micro-exfoliates your skin and gets it ready for your hydration process. Using the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist by Tatcha, I'm just going to apply some on her skin just to plump it up and make it all glowy, even though it's already flawless. I'm going to be skipping the serum and the moisturizer today. It's not needed, and this is an editorial look, so some of the steps are going to be different. I'm going straight into my Crème Lumière Pink Light by MAC. And that's a moisturizer. It's just very light, and it also makes her skin glowy at the same time because it has a little bit of micropigments inside. So skipping a few steps and just going straight for the glow in today's tutorial. To push everything in, I use my Rose Quartz Face Roller. And there we are, ready for her Makeup Forever Luminous Water Blend Foundation. This is very light and water-based, so in very thin layers, I'm going to work that onto her skin. And that's pretty much the only product that you're gonna see me use on her face today. I find I can't see where this foundation starts and when it ends, because it's just so water-based and so light. I work in very thin layers and I just build to the desired coverage. I'm also using it to sculpt and warm her face, as you can see. And you just want to blend that in using a synthetic brush. This one I believe is from Pharmaprix. And once again, I'm gonna use foundation as concealer right under her eye to build up some light and infuse more light into the center of her face. Like I said, models have this special kind of skin where they don't need that much product. So that's just how I'm doing that. And I'm blending it with a synthetic brush that looks and feels just kind of like a finger. Now, if you enjoy this content as much as I enjoy creating it, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. It would mean the world to me, and it's going to continue allowing me to create this content for you. So once I'm happy with my coverage, I like to set everything with the micro finishing loose powder by Makeup Forever. I can already hear the black and brown girls asking if this is going to make them ashy. No, it will not. And then to enhance what I've sculpted, I'm using the Perfect Eyeshadow by Lime Life by Alcone as just a sculpting powder. Very, very flawless. And then I buff it in for pretty much the rest of the process today. You won't see me doing it, but I was just blending and blending and blending. Now, I do not recommend this for anyone looking to live in their makeup, but I did apply cream products over the powder. The Crayolan blush as well as the Heaven's Hue highlighted were blended to create some glow and add some color to her face. This doesn't set well and this doesn't stay well. Today was Editorial, so that's what we did. And there's her finished skin. And then I used some brow shaping wax by Patrick Ta to bring all the hairs in her beautiful brows up. Now, I've been grooming her brows for 2 years, so you know that shape is 2 years in the making. I added a little bit of glow in her brows as well, and then using my Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I added some hairs and some dimension into her brow, very naturally, but I wanted them to feel naturally bushy. And yes, Cami gives me brow envy every single time I glam her. Like, this is just a level. That is completely unfair. I went and covered any sort of color on her lid area using again some Makeup Forever, and finished off the first part of this look by creating a nice pink lip, blending some Bodyography with some Dior lipstick. I exaggerated her lip shape a little bit, and that finished my first look with Camille. It was very glowy, simple, gorgeous brow, as you can see, and just a fun lip. There we are. After this look was completed, we continued by blending some of the Dior lipstick directly onto her lid. Now, I do want to hit pause and ask you to be very careful when you're doing this. You absolutely need your lip product to be safe for use on eyes, and you want to make sure you always used it with a spatula and a palette, because if it has been in contact with your lips, it does carry all sorts of bacteria that you want nowhere near your eyes. After having applied the lipstick as a base, I blended some Editorial Brights colors from my Viseart palette, some lavender powder eyeshadow from Illamasqua, and you will forgive me, I don't have the name. I believe this shade is discontinued now. I looked on their website and just could not find any information, but it's a lavender color. And then some Mint Condition by MAC. Now, if you saw my latest haul, you know that I had just purchased that. So this was me playing with it for the first time. And I do enjoy my MAC eyeshadows quite a bit. I was just blending it and blending it and blending it. I believe this is a Yabi eyeshadow. And Yabi is a Toronto-based company. I love their products, and they're just very fun colors. You'll see that this look isn't very precise. I popped it on the other side of her lid blended some Ilomasqua lavender right down underneath her eye. And then smudged everything together using some gloss. I absolutely loved my experience, and here are the final pictures. Enjoy!
Alright, well that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it, shooting it, and making it happen with this wonderful team. Merci mille fois Camille, ma petite cocotte. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you so much, Fidelité. I hope you guys had fun, and do let me know in the comment section what part of this video surprised you the most. I love you, and I can't wait to see you on next Tuesday. Bye!